Welcome to Anatomy of $1 Million Zero Human Enterprise, detailing Project OpenClaw. This project is currently online, with a run rate of $1 million and a headcount of 0. The math of this autonomous enterprise breaks traditional business physics. Top-line revenue for the first 30 days was $80,000, with a 100% margin on digital goods, leading to a total operating overhead of only $1,500. Defining the human agent boundary is key. Nat, the human chairman, sets macro goals. Felix, the AI CEO, handles the execution. The core rule is, the human cannot touch the code. The I must fix any business breakage. The complete hardware and cognitive overhead is under $1,500. This includes the AI models, coding tools, routing API, hosting, and a Mac Mini. The combined cognitive cost is less than a human's weekly grocery bill. Scaling intelligence uses a virtual organization chart. Felix, the CEO, manages strategy and system maintenance. Iris handles support, and Remy manages sales. Catastrophic failures escalate to Nat, the advisor. Institutional memory compounds via a nightly recursive loop. Daily operations generate logs, ingested by Felix. Errors are identified, system updates are made, and a failsafe verifies the update. The next day, the organization is smarter. This approach compresses the performance feedback loop. OpenClaw agents have instant onboarding, nightly feedback, instant error correction, perfect memory integrity, and 24/7 continuous uptime. The product portfolio evolved from static goods to dynamic services. Starting with information products, it moved to a marketplace, then creator royalties, and finally to dynamic claw sourcing services. Tier 1 focused on generating $41,000 via iterative information products. Version 1.0 was built in 24 hours. Customer email feedback was ingested without ego, leading to an automatically pushed, rewritten version 2.0. Tier 2 involves packaging human friction into monetizable Markdown. Markdown files shortcut training time, instantly downloading learned skills into a blank slate agent, replacing complex procedural code with natural language routing. Tier 3 replaces traditional outsourced labor with AI infrastructure. A client inquiry is ingested by Felix, the AI agency, which deploys a customized agent. This delivers a high-margin bespoke service. The operating system of this million-dollar company is a chat server. Channels manage strategic requests, health checks, error feeds, and content generation. Felix uses a CryptoPunk NFT avatar for a verifiable digital identity. Automated triage eliminates human DevOps. When an error occurs, it is routed to a bug channel. Felix autonomously investigates, fixes, commits code, and redeploys. The human never touches the code. The human-AI symbiosis spectrum ranges from the assistant, where the human drives, to the automator, where the human directs, finally reaching the autonomous entity, where the AI drives and the human advises. The fear of overnight job replacement is a macroeconomic myth. Reality is slowed by legacy systems, adoption inertia, and the fact that workers embracing AI become 10x more productive, not replaced by it. Legacy financial infrastructure is technically incompatible with autonomous software. Traditional banks are legally incompatible with software holding funds without a human SSN, creating KYC AML compliance failures. Crypto serves as the native economic rail for the AI economy, enabling agent-to-agent payments and scraping micropayments. Cryptographic identity, using zero-knowledge proofs, verifies, quote, humanness behind automated actions. The focus should be on automating real business logic, not meme coins. The utility model builds real revenue, using tokens strictly for infrastructure costs, unlike the token grift model of forced buybacks and artificial lockups. Capital is no longer the constraint. With software becoming ubiquitous and nearly free, the future belongs to those who direct the AI, not those who compete with it. OpenClaw raised $165,000 without needing a marketing budget or human hires. The autonomous frontier is executing while you sleep. The video was based on a case study featuring project architect Nat Eliason and AI chief executive Felix, originating from a Bankless podcast interview.